Public service muna tayo. At ito po ay mula sa GMA News and sa Pag-asa. Bagyong Karina, isa na nga pong super typhoon. As of now lang po ito, July 24 at 5:20 p.m. Tropical Cyclone Karina has become even stronger and is now a super typhoon. The State Weather Bureau Pag-asa said on Wednesday afternoon. At 4 p.m., the center of the eye of Karina was spotted 380 km north of Itbayat, Batanes, carrying maximum sustained winds of 185 km per hour near the center and gustiness of up to 230 km per hour. It was moving northwestward at 20 km per hour. Signal number 2 was hoisted over Batanes, while signal number 1 was raised over the following areas: Babuyan Island, the northern portion of mainland Cagayan, Claveria, Santa Praxedes, Sanchez Mira, Pamplona, Abulog, Ballesteros, Apari, Camalaninugan, Bagué, Santa Teresita, Santa Ana, Gonzaga, the northern portion of Ilocos Norte, Burgos, Bangi, Pagudpud, Dumalneg, Adams. Due to the effects of the super typhoon, stormy conditions may be expected in Batanes, while the northern portion of Cagayan, including Babuyan Island, and the northern portion of Ilocos Norte will see rains with gusty winds. The enhanced southwest monsoon will bring monsoon rains over Metro Manila, Abra, Benguet, Zambales, Bataan, Tarlac, Pampanga, Bulacan, Rizal, Occidental Mindoro, and the rest of Ilocos region, and occasional rains over the rest of Cordillera, Administrative Region, Nueva Ecija, and the rest of Calabarzon. It will also cause cloudy skies with scattered rains and thunderstorms over western Visayas, Negros Island region, and the rest of Luzon, and partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms over the rest of the country. Flash flood and landslides may occur due to these weather conditions. Several parts of the country, including Metro Manila, experienced massive flooding on Wednesday due to the southwest monsoon and super typhoon Karina. Meanwhile, moderate to strong winds with moderate to rough coastal waters may be felt across the Philippines. Karina was forecast to make landfall over the northern portion of Taiwan on Wednesday evening. The super typhoon will then cross the rugged terrain of Taiwan and exit the Philippines area of responsibility or PAR Thursday morning. Karina has reached its peak intensity as super typhoon prior to its landfall over Taiwan due to favorable environment. Its landfall over northern Taiwan will trigger a weakening trend for the rest of the forecast period. Pag-asa said mula sa NB, VVL GMA Integrated News. Samantala mula naman sa post ni Rio Azino sa kanyang Facebook page ay makikita habang binibiguan nga ang maranasan baka sa kanilang lugar ay may inalog na tao na hindi na nga nila nakaplit pa. At ito ay nakikilmot ng coworking. Nalaman ko na siya ba ay nakulog sa kanyang rol o nakasakay sa motor ngayon habang inaalog. At dalawin natin safe ang nasabi all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.